Welcome to the Brook Railroad, and while southern New England is getting absolutely hammered with snow, right now we got nothing. So I'm going to take this opportunity to re-gauge some track. You wonder how this happens, you know? Scrap anyway now, so. Looks like I do not have enough tie plates to do everything here. So I'll have to do that tie without tie plates. Oh, wait a minute. I've got this one right here that's split on me. So, yeah, that should be fine right here. Wow, I declare. The other side isn't being held in very well either. Well, it's only getting one tie plate, so it's gonna have to be good enough. We're looking at rail wear here. That's why we've got a gauge issue. Well, that's done it. I've gone the opposite direction. Well, I guess I'll continue along with my mistake and I'll adjust it on the other rail. These are all number 6 screws and I want number 8s. Pretty far out. Yeah. Side, but it's good on that side. All right, we're good. We're making progress. Looks like we're in enough through here. Yeah, that should be good. So I'll just spike all this up real quick, and that'll be that. going up a screw size on a lot of these here. Alright, that's good. I'll call that done. As long as I don't look further up the track, I think I'll be good. I'm definitely dealing with rotten ties down here, and split ties and all kinds of things like that, so I gotta come down here and replace ties. But I guess it's not too bad. These ties are 18 years old. This is the second railroad they've been on, so I'd say that's pretty good. Alright. Let's patch together for now. '71 should stay on the rails now. There we go. Well, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Working on track. Gotta happen year round. Anytime the track breaks, gotta be out there fixing it. That's railroading. No matter what the size, no matter what you're doing with it. If you did like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And feel free to join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/MillbrookRailroad. Or become a channel member. Second tier channel members and second tier patrons on Patreon get access to our Discord server. And we do some interesting things over on the Discord server, so certainly check that out if you're able to. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.